Hello YouTube, this is Abhishek Lomte from Lomte Studio Projects, and today we are going to unbox the Digitech ring light. So before going to the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that when I drop a video you get notified. So let's go to the video in 3, 2, 1, go. On the box you can see a Digitech logo, LED ring light combo pack with 5 feet stand, and the model number is DRL12C, and the rest of the information as you can see on the box. So inside the box, first you can see a stand. Let me unpack it. It's a aluminum stand and it's really lightweight, and the quality of the stand is really good. You can see the 4 knobs. This knob is used to expand the height of the stand, and the mount. This is the mount where the ring light fits. So overall the stand is really good. Let me keep it aside and let's see what's inside the box. In the box there is another box. So yeah, and there is nothing inside. Okay, let me unpack this box. In this box you can see there is a ring light. Let me remove it. So yeah, here's the actual ring light and nothing else in the box. So this is the Digitech ring light DRL12C. There is a mobile holder in the center of the ring, so you can use your mobile phone for your videos, for example TikTok videos, or making some IGTV or reels for your Instagram account. And the quality of the ring is good, not so bad. There is a mount to fit it on the stand, and the knob is to loose or tight the fitness. The ring light comes with a long wire and a remote control. In the remote control you can turn on and off the ring light, you can change the temperature, you can increase the brightness, and it comes with a USB port. Okay, so you can power this ring light with the help of a USB adapter or a USB hub. There is a mount on the stand to fit the ring light. So let me show you how to fit the stand to the ring light. So remember that you have to rotate the stand clockwise, not the ring light. If you try to rotate the ring light, there is a wire connect to the ring light and the wire gets stuck to the stand. So remember that you have to rotate the stand clockwise to fit to the ring light. So as you can see, I have fit the stand on the ring light, and there is a knob to adjust the angle of the ring light. You can adjust the angle according to you, and you have to rotate the knob clockwise to fit the angle. And there is a knob at the bottom of the stand. You have to rotate the knob anti-clockwise to loose the stand, and the stand gets open as you can see, and then you can rotate again the knob clockwise to fit the stand. Right now I am using the same ring light for this video. Let me show you the light. So here's the ring light. You can adjust the height of the stand with the use of by using the knob. Okay, so right now it's on a white, so you can change the mode by using the button. Okay, it got more warmer. So in this way you can adjust the temperature of the light, and you can adjust the brightness. So let me make more brighter. As you can see, this is the highest level of the brightness, and let me lower the brightness. So there we go, that's the lowest, and let's see with the white light, that's the lowest. And if I make it more brighter, as you can see. So this ring light is really awesome. You can use this ring light for your YouTube videos or any product promotion videos. You can buy this from Amazon. I will put the link in the description so that you can easily find it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring more and more videos of unboxing and reviews for you. So goodbye.